Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Bilt 130 XP with the Honda GCV 160 motor, and this is going to be the official cold start for 2019. The last time I ran this was maybe February, but this is the first official start of the mowing season. Maybe you can tell, maybe you can't. The grass is long enough to cut, and I also want to set up these leaves here before I get started because they are annoying me. So here we go. This has the auto choke system in it, so it should start by itself. Uh-oh. I didn't run out of gas, did I? Nope, still gas in there, but it's old. Gas in that can there isn't too old, maybe a month or so. No, 2 months. I don't know. I think there was still snow on the ground when I got that, but I'm going to burn this up first. There we go. Awesome. I do plan on pretty soon here doing an oil change on this and my weed whacker that's in there. I just haven't had time to do the oil change yet. But anyways, thanks for watching.